Ya achi edeba chief woman TV so jidu so body atom ho ye na so ye ho ye ene ye hyiemu a na we want to learn a little bit about women, the powerful strength of women and the importance of women, how woman possesses ability on this planet itself. And ye besua na ye sua planet ahodo a omoye ma ene ye besua na yehu the reason why ya say oba na kita hoden. Someone will ask, chief, is it that you are telling us that a woman is very stronger than a man? And it's true, not in the physical but in the spiritual. No oba hoden sin bema obi bisam sa de ntina make us oba hoden sin bema sabi ka from yes teaching because of sabi relationship asisia ekoso obetino na oyi bema bi abone yire ekunu oba bema bi afa sikan edi ekunu yire bema bi abone yire eprepran rough eneme ma yesua bibi afa saade no ho meka masemi na megina so sabi ka fra women are very powerful. I always say women are the controller of the universe. A woman is the controller of the universe, whether you like it or not. You call into the realms of spirituality before I then come into the physical. When we go into the realms of spirituality, Mother Earth, the earth we are sitting on, asasi ya mami asasi ya nankasa eyoba onye bema. Asasi na yete sono. Nipa na bedi nipa na behye ma bibia koso ya asase na yete so no asase na nkasa yoba onyo bema yesan yito so a yekase oba na edole oba na ewo oba na ebo oba tumi bonipa bema tumi bonipa adenti woman creates, man can never create. Adenti na make kasa no nti no say yekọ abodie mu a na say yekase your friend saying oba dia ye beka ni baby ni say besie ye de ba your physical sense ma besie na owo oba na otumi nyim ewo be ma ntumi nyim enwo nto oba na ewo access of creating human being. Women have the access, or women have the access of creating human being, but man can't. Adenti because said the fra oba dia ma be ma womb ye they call that is animals and plants cry. Women in that place no and a women in plants and animals no omo to me what advantage of creating babies, not the men. We serve them for them to create. This is it. Man protects woman, man never destroys woman. Bema ordinary or the besi ni so otete mba no sabe ka fra edi nya asase na wote so na nkasa na sabe ka fra asase na nkasa di wunya mbetu ma asam so a your friend say planet bi a your friend Venus. The planet Venus is a goddess, is a woman. Venus is a woman. Obi baby sam say chief Venus your ba. Venus, make us say Venus is a woman. Venus is like Earth, Mother Earth, asasi ayehwe. Sana Venus iti. Nti no se make fra asasi na yete so aye friend asasi no. Asasi ya no se make fra. When we go to the other planet that is called Venus, it's like the land we are living on. Ono so your ba. Your planet Mars nam Jupiter nam omo your mbema, but Venus is a man. Meaning says that planet you won't say that by your friend Vesta. Or your Roman god, or no see a goddess, or no see a planet, asasi, or no see a asasi, but this a with ye asasi, we so a Mother Earth and with you so. Now we could pay Vesta so, you back of Venus so. This is the situation. Venus now you can want something a goddess of love, or a goddess of love. Into ye can oba ehun faso a sebeka fra. The power of a woman is very stronger, much more than a man. Any ability that a man has, piano, a do oban same say. Within a blink of an eye, as a bearman shiny about to me bomb and in yago form. Today, be a mecama and be say, man, be a year and ask some say, Sabica fra, or see or the 65 years, Eddie soon about who Juman Nadi, or the soon about who subine. Onimoba yakasa oba onimoba nkasa nti ogusu ye chenchire or chere or book or note why some notes in a mountain seven kwa. Wachire mba nsem bebre e wosa note no oba suban ade oba pe ade oba mpe ade a wo ye kire oba se be kafra e betumi aha adwenya wa ye kase we su oba ho adwuma wa invest for 65 years of learning about women. This is the situation now. One day the man was doing a teaching, gathering people. There were women around, there were little young girls around too. Young boys are being around. Whilst learning, na woman a man can't assembly say he knows everything about women. So no woman on this planet can take advantage of him, the man, because he has invested his life for 65 years of learning about women. This is the situation now. As he continuously teaching, now a young girl, Gina Chen, a young girl on the kitchen say, young girl on the beside the question say, Daddy, please, also we suya oba hu nyomen na wonni mo ba nkasa, you know much about women. And the man said, yes, without no doubt. I know everything about women, advantage and disadvantage. Everything a woman needs to do, or anything a man needs to do for a woman to like, ana or buy any bejino or no name. And not only my character, the character women have. He said he knows all. For 65 years, he knows everything. So this young girl asked the man whether he can see what is in the book. So that in Pacho, Wadama, my mention book now was 65 years now. I want to also confirm things you've written inside the book. This is the situation, and the man was going to give, the man gave the book to the woman or to the lady. Or the man lady, and there was a small well, a bula, a sin in chain. The bula is seen in China. Small girl on the G book, as she collected the book from the man. The moment she collected the book from the man, straight, without thinking twice, she put that book that the man has written everything of everything he knows for 65 years. The young girl put that book inside the well. Or the book no edition bula no more. Audition book audition bula no more. Suddenly the man got angry, like seriously. This man got seriously angry. Even if Omo so me mo obeheti akwala. Then the young girl asked the man, please, Daddy, you shouldn't get angry. You said you've learned everything about women, so you know all about women. The reason why I want to prove you wrong is if you had knew that if you give me this book, I'll put it inside a wall, or a day will come, a woman can take everything from you, or a woman can make your life very miserable for you, you wouldn't have given me this book. To be saying, they say, "Which was our subani subu book no mana? Papa, which was our subani the book no man? Kawan fasa book and I'm family." Until it shows you how powerful women are. You can never know women. Let me send it to the spiritual, then show you something here. Say, "Yeko amamre ni amani emwa." Or when we go into our culture, every month when you have a spirit, maybe a spirit that protects the house, maybe you being a spiritual person, every 6 months or every year, piano, you have a sacrifice you do for that spirit. That is every 3 months, every 6 months, some takes every 1 month. This is the situation. A woman, the power of a woman that is invested in her. A woman bleeds every 7 days for every month. Every month, a woman bleeds 7 days. Some bleeds 6 days, some 3 days, some 5 days, some 4 days. That moment, you know, Oba be brano. Some moment, you know, time Oba ni 2 minutes na ho di na shema. Sebeka fra. Anytime be Oba be bu ne se dia ni 2 minutes na ho di na ashema. In that moment, anytime they tell a woman who has menstruated that don't get closer to maybe a spirit, don't get closer to anything that is called spirit. When you have mens, or when you have mens, even you should even prevent yourself in going to crowded places, because that moment, Obano kita 100% strength in the realms of spirituality. Physically, no, spiritually, no, spirit be obedi ne ho agrokra no, oba no to make spirit and to form. Women are very powerful. I'm advising every man out there. This is the situation I said before. Say when you oba, wo hwe na say wo hwe ne yi I said before. Oba no to me ma wo koso. The same woman can bring you down. Why am I saying that? It comes into relationship. Before Obani Bema Beko relationship, I always say before a man and a woman will go into a serious relationship, there should be some friendship relationship before. This is that situation, and when we go into that friendship relationship before going into marriage or going into an love relationship, and no said the say problem we see and our situation we see, we don't go anywhere to consult anybody to see a counselor, to see the woman's mom, to see the man's mom to solve issue. No, this is the situation. We solve our issue on our own. Every man who gets time to know much about women and respect them for who they are, that man gets a lot of benefits without no doubt. And you know, I'm advising every man outside there, whether you being whoever you are, so far as you have a woman, or there is going to be a time you will have a woman in your life, learn how to respect women from now. Men, let's stop beating women. It doesn't make sense. Ekwa bekuti yankasa. Bemo tene nensa ede bomma. Sabe kafra ekwa san bekuti on wankasa. Yawa asasi bebre sabe kafra. I said mother earth or mother earth nankasa na asasi na yetena so nankasa no eyoba. Ntina woko when you go into every country, they will tell you that we call ourselves Mother Ghana. We call ours Mother Ghana. I don't know about the other countries, but I'm not sure there is going to be a country who is out there that will say the father this country. Never, but it's going to be the mother. Maybe the mother of the mother Nigeria or the mother